Hi everyone. Today, I will introduce you to the Rippa R57, a medium-sized excavator with strong power and professional design. It is definitely a powerful player on the construction site. Now, let's start this R57. The smart large screen lights up immediately, and the fuel level and system status are clear at a glance. Turn on the air conditioner to make the working environment more comfortable. Finally, put down the safety lock. Everything is ready to start operation. Whether it is earthwork excavation, loading, crushing, or trenching, it can easily handle it. Even in high-intensity working conditions such as mines, it can be competent. The working weight of the R57 is 5,775 kilograms, and it is equipped with a 0.175 cubic meter bucket. Although it is not big in size, the maximum excavation force can reach 32 kilonewtons, which is very powerful. The maximum excavation radius is 6,160 millimeters. The excavation depth can be down to 3,785 millimeters, and the unloading height is also 4,080 millimeters, which is very practical. These data may sound a bit abstract, but you can feel its motivation as soon as you use it. Whether it is deep digging, long reach, or high-altitude unloading, the R57 can complete the task steadily, with smooth movements and high efficiency. For daily construction, it is definitely a good helper that is both worry-free and reliable. I am now planning to use the R57 to dig out this tree stump. After the tree was cut down, the stump actually grew new branches and leaves, and its vitality is really tenacious. However, it just happened to grow in the area where we were going to work, which was indeed a bit of a hindrance, so I still had to dig it out completely. The root system of the tree stump is quite deep, and it did feel a bit difficult when digging at the beginning, and the roots were quite firmly rooted. Fortunately, the R57 is flexible enough, and operations such as extending the digging arm, rotating the fuselage, and tipping the bucket are very smooth. It can accurately dig around the roots without pulling hard. I usually start by slowly loosening the soil around the stump, digging down in circles, and slowly exposing the main roots and lateral roots. Although this method seems a bit slow, it is much more reliable than pushing directly, and it is not easy to damage the machine, and it is easier to pry up the whole stump. In addition, the hydraulic system of the R57 is also very responsive, and the angle of the bucket is controlled very finely, which is particularly suitable for this kind of scene that requires slow work and fine work. The whole process is actually not complicated. The key is to be patient and use methods. In addition, the machine is stable and accurate, and the efficiency will naturally increase. Well, the stump was finally dug out intact. Throughout the process, our 57 performed very steadily, with sufficient power and fast movements. It is indeed a good helper for this kind of delicate work. Our 57 is equipped with a hydraulic thumb clamp as standard, which is very convenient for grabbing things, such as moving tree roots and stones. Like the stump we dug out today, we can directly use the thumb clamp to clamp it, without having to rely on manual rope tying and lifting. Moreover, the thumb clamp and the bucket work well together, and the movements can keep up without dragging, so loading, handling, and clearing the site can be done in one go. Finally, fill the dug pit. Backfilling like this looks simple, but it actually has its own requirements. Don't move too hard. The main thing is to be steady. Push it back layer by layer, and pay attention to compacting the soil at the edge and bottom, so that subsequent construction will not easily collapse or settle. Our 57 also performs very well in this small-scale finishing work. The bucket angle is easy to control, it will not swing around when pushing, and the soil is compacted evenly. Whether it is a large-scale earthwork operation or a more delicate small job like this, it can handle it steadily, saving time and effort. Today's operation ends here, and the performance of our 57 is still quite satisfactory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow. See you next time.